How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Unveiled channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at a microcap cryptocurrency which has the potential to make early investors a huge amount of gains. Of course, if you are new around here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button as we post regular cryptocurrency content. And of course, guys, like I said in every single video, this is not financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only, so make sure you go out and do your own research and come to your own conclusion before investing into any tokens or coins that I mention in my videos. With that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. So if you haven't guessed it already, today's video is going to be all about Joystream, or J-O-Y for short is the official tag for Joystream. If you have been around the channel for a while now, you would know that I'm super bullish about Joystream. I've talked about Joystream, all the way back when it first released, a good 3 months ago, I believe now. And I've been constantly giving you guys updates about Joystream ever since then. And as we go on to look in the video here, you will actually see how much Joystream has actually increased from when I first mentioned it on the channel. So yeah, like I said, the first part of the video here, we'll just go over some statistics about Joystream, looking at market cap and how much Joystream has actually gone up in the last few months. Then we'll look at what Joystream is all about, and of course, the last part of the video, just go over my personal price prediction on Joystream as well. So you can see the current price per Joystream token or coin is $0.04196 per coin. You can see it's almost up 9% on the day. So like I said, recently Joystream has been on an absolute tear and has been, going positive numbers every single day, and it's been increasing every single day. And as we look at the chart in a second, you will see in the last few weeks, especially, Joystream has, I believe, it started to catch a bit of momentum and has actually started to rocket up in price very, very quickly. So you can see when I first started the video, I talked about Joystream being a microcap coin. I believe that this sort of does still classify as a microcap coin. It's starting to get into more of a sort of smaller market cap coin, but I believe this is still a microcap coin. But like I said, when this video is out for a week or two, this could already have doubled by then. As I said, Joystream is, it's growing incredibly fast. A lot faster than I would have thought it would be growing. So yeah, you can see the current market cap per Joystream, for Joystream is just over $28 million, and you can see the 24-hour volume is actually up 83%, and it's at $181,000 for the 24-hour volume. You can see that the total supply of Joystream is just over 1 billion coins or tokens, and the fully diluted market cap of Joystream is $42.87 million as well. If we look at the chart here, you can see, like I said, over the day it's up almost 9%. If we go to the 7-day chart, you can see it's up over 31% on the 7-day chart, guys. This is absolutely insane how quickly this token is actually growing, and I cannot wait for the future to see what the future holds for this token. You see, over the last month, it's up over 187%, guys, just in the last month. So, you would have tripled your money by now if you would have, invested down here at the start of the month. Over the last year, you can see this is actually when Joystream actually did release. So only, like I said, only released this year. As you can see on, I believe that's June, towards the end of June here. So it's only been out for around just over 3 months here, and you can see how much Joystream has actually increased over the last few months. It's just absolutely crazy. Like I said, if you would have been watching the channel for a while now, you would know that I actually was talking about Joystream before it even released onto the market. And I actually made a video the day of it actually released. You can see it was 0.0024 cents per token here, or coin, and you can see right now it's around, investors would be around, like it says here, 1700% up from when Joystream first released. And even if you got it down here, you'd be up, almost 20x, 20x already, and the coin is still super small, guys. So if that doesn't show the potential of this coin, I don't know what will. So yeah, like I said, this is just absolute crazy gains in the last 3 months, just over 3 months, up over, well, some investors would have already had 20x gains by now, and we are still super early, and I just I cannot wait for what the future holds for this coin. I guess we'll look at now, the next part of the video here, we'll just look at what Joystream actually is all about. So Joystream, to put it very simply, Joystream is a video platform protocol. So basically what Joystream allows developers or any normal person to do is basically to build their own stream platform on the Joystream ecosystem. So at the moment, as you know, Joystream is still, still very early days for Joystream. Like I said, it's only been officially released into the markets for just over 3 months here. They've already got 2 apps, as you can see here as well, just reiterating what I've said. So one platform, multiple different video streaming apps on the Joystream ecosystem. So if we go down a little bit here, you can see they've got 2 sort of apps at the moment, 2 video streaming apps. However, they've got one main one, which I believe this is going to be their sort of signature app, which I believe this is going to be the app which is going to be, like I said, the main one, and it's going to be the main one for the foreseeable future. So GLE is actually their main, they haven't said their main one, but I believe that GLE is actually sort of their main one, which they choose to focus on, because I believe GLE has got the most, they're basically trying to focus on one stream platform at the moment to sort of push the most amount of growth on. And as we check out a few different, we can actually have a look at a few different statistics here on the side here. You can see in the past 7 days, Joystream has actually, the GLE platform has actually brought us 40 new creators with a total YouTube subscriber count of 1 million subscribers, guys. Just in the last 7 days, you can see 49 creators have actually signed up to the GLE platform just in the last 7 days. So like I said, again, just showing a crazy amount of growth for Joystream. So yeah, like I said, GLE is their main sort of one which they choose to focus on, and I believe that the GLE is actually going to be the main platform which they're going to focus on for the foreseeable future, unless they decide to create a new updated platform. I believe that this is going to be their main one. However, with GLE being their main one, you can actually, like I said, anybody can come onto the Joystream ecosystem and actually make their own video streaming platform and, have a sole focus of that video streaming platform. When Joystream first released, I believe that they wanted to, have each different video streaming platform have its own sort of, have its own niche, have its own focus. So as you can see here, GLE it says here, GLE has its sole focus on the Web3 and crypto content only on GLE, and you can see here on the other app here, you've got One.media for education, news, science, and entertainment beyond borders. So what they first wanted to sort of focus on is have each different video streaming platform have, like I said, its own niche. However, recently they've sort of started to take a little bit of a turn. I've recently been reading, I believe in their Discord or on their Twitter page, I believe that they're actually going to be opening up GLE to any content creator now. Because I've actually had a few people actually sign up with my code on GLE, and they're not crypto content YouTubers, so their accounts are currently suspended. However, like I said, I've recently read that I believe that they're actually going to be opening it up to all creators now, which is is actually quite good, because it's going to provide a very, very good amount and a very quick amount of growth onto the Joystream platform. However, they have taken a slight little detour from what they originally said. However, like I said, there's still really, really early days of Joystream, and so if they do make adaptations, it's not the biggest the biggest red flag in the world for sure. So yeah, these are the 2 main platforms at the moment, and I'm sure as Joystream starts to grow more and more, as like I said, still super early days, only $28 million in market cap. I believe more and more developers and even ordinary people who might not even know that much code, because it's super easy to make another video stream platform. As you can see here, they actually provide you with the code to get started. So yeah, I believe when Joystream starts to grow and expand even more, there's going to be even more streaming platforms on the site. However, like I said, I believe that GLE is going to be the main one. It's going to be the main sole focus of Joystream, and I believe this is going to be the main video streaming platform which they're going to be pushing to everyone for sure. So like I said, yeah, so this is how they've actually got a few different steps here, how you can actually start your own video stream platform on the Joystream ecosystem. And you can see here they actually give some incentive for people who actually want to create their own video streaming platform as well. So you can see here, step 1 customize, step 2 launch, step 3 build, and step 4 earn, which of course is, I believe this is actually going to be why the main reason, of course, why people are actually going to be making their own video stream platforms. You actually get paid a share of the value the creators and audience generates. So if that will be in Joystream tokens or NFTs or whatever it is, you will actually get a share of that just for creating the video platform. which, you know, of course is not an easy feat. Of course, they provide the code, and, you know, it's easier than other things than building it from complete scratch. However, you know, it's still I believe it is still kind of difficult. Payouts, rewards for publishing of videos as well. So yeah, I've actually got my YouTube channel automatically synced up to GLE. So every time I post a video on YouTube, I actually do get a little bit of kickback. So I get a few Joystream tokens as basically a little reward for posting, basically syncing my video from YouTube up to their GLE platform as well. Just to basically, you know, because of course they want it to be a very active streaming platform, so they basically give, you know, a little payout to creators for posting their videos on there. And as you can see here, you can see some recent rewards from Joystream, from the Joystream DAO. So you can see here $25, $5, $20, $38, $11, and all these people who are getting these rewards are basically just getting it for completely free, because they will be posting videos onto YouTube and will automatically get paid just for, you know, allowing GLE to also post their video, and then they don't need to do anything. Like I said, it's automatically synced up, so every time you post on YouTube, it will automatically get synced onto the GLE platform as well. I guess the next part of the video, we'll just quickly look over the GLE platform here and just look at the current state of GLE. At the moment, I would say GLE isn't looking completely optimized, if I'm being completely honest. I believe they have still got a bit of work to do on GLE. You know, there are a few different videos in different languages and other things. I believe that the next step for the developers of GLE is to sort of make different languages, or at least try and translate the languages, because when you first come onto this, come onto the platform and you see, you know, for your English, for example, like me, and you start to see whatever the language, I believe this is Russian, and, you know, other videos here, I'm not sure what other languages these are, maybe Arabic and other things. You know, it can be a little bit of a turn off and slightly intimidating, because you don't understand what is sort of going on here. You know, I believe the next step is they need to sort of translate it into the different languages, so English, Arabic, Russian, whatever languages, to make it a lot more user friendly, so people are, you know, basically the page just looks a little bit more attractive, or maybe even split up the content creators in the different languages. So, you know, only when you come onto the page, if you're English, only English creators will come up, so you can actually understand the videos, because, you know, there's no point coming on here and seeing Russian videos when you can't speak Russian, because of course you're never ever going to click on it. So I'd say a few things they need to update on GLE, you know, slightly optimize GLE. However, I believe, like I keep saying, you know, this is still really early days. It's only been released for 3 months, so I'm sure the team, I mean, I've spoken to the team, and they are super, you know, super active in the community, constantly communicating, so I'm sure they're gonna, you know, make some optimizations to the platform as they grow. Of course, you know, we've just got to give them a little bit of time, of course. So yeah, this is what the current platform looks like at the moment. You can see they've actually got a market here for what. Another cool thing about GLE is you can actually turn your videos into actual NFTs, and people can actually buy your videos on the GLE platform, which is super awesome. You know, it gives content creators, you know, an opportunity to make some money from basically just people who wanted to basically buy and collect and own their video NFT. I've actually had a few people actually buy my NFTs already, which is, you know, I'm super appreciative and super grateful for. And you know, it just it's great, I believe, for YouTubers and content creators to actually be able to sell their videos as NFTs. Like I said, just gives them a bit of gives them a bit of earnings and monetization for making these videos and streaming them up to your GLE platform. So as we go on to the Joystream Twitter page here, you can see they've got just under 60,000 followers here. So yeah, so a fairly substantial community here. And like I said, the team for Joystream is super active, guys. I like to, you know, basically praise the team behind Joystream because of how active and constantly communicating they are with their community. I just believe that Joystream has one of the best teams out there, and like I said, I'm sure if you've been watching this channel for a while now, you would know that I focus on the team behind the coin or the token just as much as the goal behind the coin or the token, because, you know, if you do not have a strong team that communicates with the community or doesn't provide updates or optimize their features or their platform or whatever it is, then, you know, the coin cannot do well. It basically it fully cannot do well, because the features of the coin will either get outdated or something will go wrong, or, you know, whatever it may be. If they cannot communicate with the community, then people will basically just pull out of the community, and the price of basically the market cap or the price of the coin or whatever it is will drop, and they're basically the coin or the token will actually die if they do not have a strong team behind them. So last part of the video here, I'd just like to go over my personal price prediction about Joystream or Joy, and what I see for the future, and sort of go over different timescales of when I believe Joystream is actually going to be doing what sort of prices. So if you haven't guessed by now, of course, like I said at the start of the video, I'm super bullish about Joystream. I've made countless videos on Joystream now ever since it's released, and like I said, early investors would have made a super great amount of gains already if you did actually listen to when I first or watched the first video. Of course, it's not financial advice. However, if you did actually invest when I first made the video, you would actually be seeing around 20x gains or 2,000% already, and it's only been 3 months, which is absolutely crazy gains. And this is one of the things why I like to focus on small market cap coins, because like I said, this coin hasn't actually gone up a huge amount of money. Of course, I'm not saying $28 million is a crazy amount of money. However, in the crypto space, $28 million market cap, like I keep saying, is a super small market cap. This amount of money is a super small amount of money into the crypto space. I mean, cryptos can jump up hundreds of millions in one day. So for investors to be making 20x gains already, and it's still only at a $28 million market cap, it just shows how much potential Joystream does actually have. So what is my personal price prediction about Joystream? I see Joystream being at least $500 million market cap by next year. I believe, and this is very dependent on whether or not we do actually see another bull run in the next year, or we continue to see a bear market. However, I do believe I'm going to be holding Joystream to at least $700-800 million market cap, because I believe that it can hit that market cap. It's very possible for it to hit that market cap. However, I do believe in the next year, like I said, hopefully we'll start to see in the hundreds of millions of dollars for Joystream within the market cap. And hopefully, if the bull run does actually happen next year or the year after, I believe at the peak of the bull run, we will start to see, like I said, Joystream going over $600, $700, $800 million market cap, just from the fact that, we've got video stream platforms out there at the moment, such as YouTube, what you're watching my channel on there, on here right now. However, we haven't got many decentralized video stream platforms where you can basically post whatever you like. I mean, we've got a platform such as Rumble, which is, it's basically a censorless platform where you can post whatever you like on there. However, I haven't seen any decentralized video stream platforms which you get paid out in the native token. And so I believe when Joystream first released, this is why I'm so bullish on Joystream and so attracted to it. They're completely doing something unique and completely different for the crypto community. And I just believe, with the video stream platforms, like I said, we need a decentralized one, which, content creators such as, especially crypto content creators, can actually get paid out and monetize for their videos without hitting, the YouTube partnership program or whatever. So even very small creators can actually start to get monetized on GLE straight away just for posting the videos onto GLE. And so I believe that, as GLE starts to grow and Joystream starts to grow even more, I believe that the market cap and the price of the token is just going to go, it's just going to go absolutely ballistic, and it's just going to skyrocket so high. I believe, like I said, in the next few months, the market cap will double again, and hopefully by next year, like I said, in the hundreds of millions of dollars. My personal price prediction for Joystream, what would that be? If it hits $280 million, that'd be 10x right now, so it would be about 40 cents. $500 million, it would be about 80 cents. And looking at $600 to $700 million market cap, it would be looking over $1 per Joystream token, which would be absolutely crazy to see. And I hope we do actually start to see, getting closer to $1 within the next year or two, or whenever the next bull run is. I believe that Joystream is easily going to be hitting over $1 for sure. Apart from that, guys, I'd like to thank you very much for watching the video. I'm not sure how long this video is. I'm sure I've been rambling on for a while now. However, like I said, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you do hit that like button. Make sure you comment down below what you think about Joystream. Are you already invested? Are you going to invest? Just let me know why you're going to be investing as well. Of course, if you're new around here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. And apart from that, I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.